Welcome back. And now the bill to declare Pakistan as a state sponsor of terror has been introduced in Parliament. It's a private member's bill and it was introduced by Rajya Sabha MP Rajiv Chandrasekhar. In fact, speaking to India Today, he hoped that the government will quickly move ahead on the bill.
लोग चाहते हैं कि पार्लियामेंट में एक रेजोल्यूशन पास हो या एक बिल पास हो कि पाकिस्तान को हम एक टेरर स्टेट डिक्लेयर करें और उनके साथ इकोनॉमिक, डिप्लोमेटिक और ट्रेड टाइज जो हैं उन पे एक तरह के सैंक्शंस लगाएं, क्योंकि हम सब जानते हैं कि पाकिस्तान एक टेरर स्टेट है, लेकिन हमने आज तक इस 50 सालों में हमने कभी पार्लियामेंट में ऐसा कोई रेजोल्यूशन पास नहीं किया है पाकिस्तान टेरर स्टेट है।
But this is an issue that had been raised very strongly by Rajiv Chandrasekhar in the aftermath of the Uri attacks, which were followed by a spate of other terror attacks in Kashmir as well. He had said at the time that he is going to be moving this private member's bill, which would seek for Pakistan to be declared as a state sponsor of terror. What this will entail is Pakistan subsequently then also suffering several economic and trade sanctions. But one really wonders, in fact, how quickly this bill can be pushed through. We've got Brijesh Pandey now joining us on the phone line. What is going to be the process from here on, Brijesh, for this bill? And is this going to see the light of day, given how we are seeing disruptions in the Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha every single day, hardly any business being done?
Well, usually the bills moved by private member bills does not go on to become law or something like that. And even Rajiv Chandrasekhar admitted this as much. But the fact of the matter is that, he said that, well, this was introduced by a private member bill. It was to bring this thing to government's notice that, that Pakistan should be declared a terrorist attack, given the kind of regular terror activities it is indulging in against India. And it's a kind of a proxy war it has unleashed against India for a very long time now. And it's time for the government to declare Pakistan a terrorist state and to make sure that, all kind of coordination comes to cease with the country.
All right. For now, Brijesh, thanks very much for joining us.